So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Bitcoin on MetaMask. So once MetaMask is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left and press on home. And then where it says buy, swap, send, receive, I want you to press on buy. And then at the bottom where it says buy crypto with cash, buy, press on that. Once you're on this page right here, if you want to buy Bitcoin, I'm just going to go ahead and filter this to Bitcoin right here. Just to make it simple, go ahead and press on Bitcoin. Once you're on this page right here, you can select how much Bitcoin you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $65 worth, you just type in 65, and below that, you can select your payment methods. So Apple Pay or debit or credit in this case. So if you wanted to do debit or credit, I'll go ahead and press that, then press continue. Once that is done, you have to go ahead and verify your identity, and if all looks good, press on continue to proceed to the next steps and complete the purchase of Bitcoin that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to buy Bitcoin on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.